Hello, my name is Amanda Beal, and in this video I'm going to help you understand the basics of data transmission and the different states it can be in, either at rest, in use, and in transit. Understanding these concepts are fundamental in cybersecurity and essential for protecting sensitive information in any IT environment. I'm going to start by defining the three states of data. Data at rest refers to data that is stored and not actively being used. An example of this could be files saved on a hard drive or in the cloud. Data in use is data currently being processed by a system. This would be like information being edited in a document or displayed in an application. Data in transit is data moving from one location to another. This includes sending emails, transferring files over a network, or loading a web page. Each state presents its own set of risks and requires different security measures. Since these states are all independent of one another, there are different ways to protect the data. For data at rest, encryption is key. By encrypting files and storage devices, we ensure that even if someone gains unauthorized access to the data remains unreadable without the proper decryption key. Data in use can be trickier to secure since it's being actively processed and often displayed. Here, security relies on device-level protection like endpoint security, memory encryption, and user access controls. User access control can also be helpful for data at rest. It's critical to ensure the software accessing the data is trusted and up to date. So in my line of work, we're constantly pushing software updates, knowledge base updates, and even patches to address security vulnerabilities. For data in transit, we protect it by using encryption protocol like transport layer security. This ensures that data cannot be intercepted or read while it travels between systems. VPNs and secure tunnels can add another layer of protection, especially over public or untrusted networks. So for my job, anytime we want to access remote solution software, SecureLink or Violink, we have to be connected to the VPN, and that protects the patient's data as it's traveling across their system to my computer. The strategy for securing data changes depending on its state because each state is vulnerable in different ways. Data at rest is most vulnerable to theft or physical compromise, so encryption and access controls are critical. Data in use is vulnerable to memory scrapping and malware, so endpoint protection is important. Data in transit is at risk of interception or session jacking attacks, so encryption and secure communication channels like VPNs are essential. Understanding these differences helps IT and cybersecurity professionals apply the right tools at the right time in the right place, which keeps systems resilient and information and patients safe. Thanks for watching. I hope I did a good job to help you understand how data flows and how we can protect it throughout its life cycle.